Hi, I'm Tim at Harrods Peugeot in Dorchester. I'm going to show you a little bit more of this 3008 SUV. It's the GT line trim with the 1.2 PureTech 130 horsepower manual engine, registered in 2018 on an 18 plate with just over 9,000 miles on the clock, all finished in the beautiful magnetic blue. So let's have a slightly closer look. There you have it. If you think you'll be interested in this high-spec SUV, then certainly give us a call on 01305 266 066 and book your test drive today. Thank you.